You need to hear this if you're a food lover. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to make this delicious combo. Hey there, food lovers! Thanks for stopping by our channel. Today, we're diving into a classic combo that's both simple and satisfying. Let's talk about two kitchen heroes, fluffy rice and a perfectly cooked omelette. These two ingredients are staples in many households and for good reason. Separately, they're great, but together they're a culinary dream team. Imagine the soft, tender rice paired with the rich, savory omelette. It's a match made in food heaven. This recipe is so easy you'll be saying sorted in no time. No need for fancy ingredients or complicated steps. Get ready for a flavor-packed adventure that's kind to your tummy and your schedule. Perfect for busy weeknights or lazy weekends. Ready to whip up this super simple dish? Let's get cracking. Gather your ingredients and let's make some magic in the kitchen. Why did the rice and omelette get along so well? Because they knew how to egg-cite each other. And the best part? This dish is super budget-friendly. Delicious and easy on the wallet. Let's get cooking. Before we unleash our inner chef, let's round up the usual suspects. The essential ingredients that will make our dish truly spectacular. Cooked rice, leftover or freshly made, about 2 cups should do the trick. Rice is the heart of our dish, providing that comforting base we all love. Eggs 2 per person, because more eggs equals more happiness, right? Eggs bring richness and protein, making our meal both delicious and nutritious. Milk or cream, a splash for extra creamy omelettes. This little addition makes the texture of our eggs silky smooth and utterly delightful. Salt and pepper seasoning superheroes, always ready for action. These two are the dynamic duo that enhances every flavor, making sure our dish is perfectly seasoned. Butter or oil, for that glorious golden finish on our omelette. Whether you prefer the richness of butter or the lightness of oil, this is what gives our dish that beautiful, appetizing look. Your favorite fillings? Get creative. Cheese, veggies, leftover chicken, anything goes. These fillings add personality and variety to our dish, making each bite a new adventure. Got everything? Fantastic. Now, wash your hands, put on your apron if you're feeling fancy, and let's get cooking. Clean hands and a ready mindset are the first steps to culinary success. Let's dive into this cooking journey together. First up, the rice. If you're using leftovers, brilliant. If not, no worries. Simply follow the instructions on your packet of rice. Remember, we want fluffy, not sticky. Think light and airy, like a cloud on a plate. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it up with a fork and set it aside. It's time for the star of the show, the omelette. Omelette Odyssey, conquering the flip. Today, we're diving into the art of making the perfect omelette. It's a journey that starts with the basics and ends with a triumphant flip. Whisk those eggs like you mean it. The more air you incorporate, the fluffier your omelette will be. Don't be shy, give it some elbow grease. Add a splash of milk or cream for extra richness. This little addition makes a big difference, giving your omelette a creamy texture. Season generously with salt and pepper. Remember, seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors. You can also add a pinch of herbs if you like. Now heat your pan over medium heat. A well-heated pan ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. Add a knob of butter or a drizzle of oil. This not only adds flavor, but also helps in creating a non-stick surface. Pour in half of your egg mixture. This allows you to control the cooking process better and ensures a perfect flip. Swirl it around to coat the pan. Make sure the mixture spreads out evenly for a uniform omelette. Now the moment of truth, the flip. This is where practice makes perfect. Don't rush it. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With a bit of confidence and the right technique, you'll nail it. Just use a spatula to gently lift the edges of the omelette. This helps in loosening it from the pan. Tilt the pan and let the uncooked egg flow underneath. This ensures that all parts of the omelette are cooked evenly. Cook for another minute or so. This final touch gives your omelette a perfect finish. Repeat with the remaining egg mixture. Practice makes perfect. and soon you'll be flipping omelettes like a pro. Look at you, a master omelette chef. You've conquered the flip and created a delicious masterpiece. Enjoy your perfectly cooked omelette. We're almost there. Spoon a generous portion of that fluffy rice onto a plate. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelette on top. Now let your creativity run wild. Sprinkle over some chopped herbs, add a dollop of sour cream, or unleash your inner artist with some sriracha mayo. This dish is a blank canvas for flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. There you have it, a delicious, satisfying, and ridiculously easy omelette with rice. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's a dish that's as versatile as your imagination, so what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients, put on your chef hat, and get cracking. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make the perfect egg omelette with rice. Have a great day and happy cooking. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun. So don't be afraid to add your own twist to this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy cooking. This is Bistegs TV.